Hello and welcome to another WindowParts video. Today we'll be doing a tutorial on how to fit our Flexi door restrictor. But first we must apologise for the shakiness of the camera. We were filming this outside and just as we were starting to film, the weather gods decided to put wind through the area in which we were filming, so the camera is a little bit shakier than normal. We apologise for that. First off, open it up to its maximum part without locking it, so that it has that pin just to the outside of the locking ring, and have that, you want that pin facing the inside of the door, okay? Because when it slides along, it's going to lock into that pin. Once you've done that, place the part indicated in the top of the door, and then the other part that goes on the frame. My advice would be place the bit in the top of the door first, and then the bit that slides, you need to get that hooked underneath the frame on the door. Make sure it fits nicely. Once you've got that nice and snug, 4 screws in the indicated holes, 25mm self-tappers will do, straight in there. Once you've fitted it, if you find it's a bit stiff, it won't move, there's a screw on the sliding part. Just loosen that off and give that a go, and that should then slide nicely. Once you've done that, we move to the other part, so the part that fits in the frame. Just slide it along, place it in there, and it's 2 screws, same ones, you can use the same ones, 25mm self-tappers, slide and screw that into the top there. What you also have on this is that same screw that I told you to loosen earlier to make it move. You can tighten it up a little bit to give it a bit more friction so that it doesn't just fling around in the wind. So you can tighten up a little bit to give you a little bit of resistance against the wind so the door doesn't just slam shut. Okay, once you're happy with that, just try it a few times, make sure it's locking, and once it's just done, that restrictor is fitted and ready to go. Thank you very much for watching.